Studies show that ventilation matters when it comes to mitigating COVID-19. One Memphis school is the first in the country to install new air filters proven to capture COVID-causing airborne particles. Today, Bornblum Jewish Community School received the Dexwet Pure air filters. The air filters were created in Austria and were studied for a month in a school setting to test their effectiveness. It showed these filters can remove 99% of airborne particles in a classroom within 2.5 hours. The company says the filter uses a special oil coating that traps the particles. They're also reusable. Just wash them on a hot dishwasher cycle and reapply the oil.
I'm glad that we're setting a trend, and I hope that this can really expand not just to schools and nursing homes, as Clemens said, but really can be everywhere.
We use complete new physical principles to filter fine dust, down to nanodust, and also pathogens like pollen or bacteria or virus of whatever kind.